Now that's a wrap on our Galentine's Day brunch party. Now let's take one last look at everything we made.
First up, these stunning red velvet cupcakes from Boston Girl Bakes. They're soft, rich, and topped with a dreamy cream cheese frosting, pure perfection for a Valentine's celebration. Of course, I had to include some mini heart royal icing cookies. Simple, sweet, and the perfect bite-sized treat to go with coffee or mimosas. Then there are these adorable love letter cookies, because what's Galentine's Day without a little extra love? I decorated each one with delicate royal icing details for that extra touch. And these mini cake donuts, because tiny treats are just more fun. I went with classic red velvet and strawberry flavors, topped with a little glaze and sprinkles. I also made these Galentine's Day cake push-ups, layers of cake frosting and sprinkles in a fun grab-and-go treat, perfect for a festive brunch. But brunch isn't just about the sweets. I made the Baker Mama's egg, sausage, and cheese breakfast bake. Savory, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. It's the perfect balance to all the sweet treats. Whether you're celebrating with friends, family, or just treating yourself, this Galentine's Day brunch is all about good food and even better company. What's on your brunch menu this year?
Now stick around for my winter frozen party coming up next.